Today, we're going to open the GeekGear World of Wizardry box for July 2018. This is a monthly subscription box, and anything that's in here that's house-related is going to be Ravenclaw. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. So the reason the box is blue, like I said, is because I'm Ravenclaw. So they now are coordinating the boxes according to whatever your house is. I love that. All right, so let's get in here. And this is for their mega crates, which have a lot of stuff, and they are their special edition boxes, but you can now do a monthly subscription of that as well. And those have some pretty awesome stuff in them. Okay. And there's always a shirt in these boxes, so let's see what we have. Oh, it's a black shirt. Okay, I love this. So we have Hagrid on Sirius's motorbike flying across the moon. That's awesome. I think that's supposed to be like a reference to E.T., and I love it. I will definitely get some wear out of this shirt. Their shirts are really great. They wash up nice. They're super soft, but I love this one. It's so different. Good start. Let's see where else we've got. Oh. Oh, nice. So we got a canvas tote that says Wizarding School, and then it has G, R, H, and S for Gryffindor, Ravenclaw, Hufflepuff, and Slytherin. So that's neat, and I like that it's got the two brooms on there. Yeah, that's neat. I like that a lot. Okay. Ooh, alright. We have a long box. Oh, the packaging is so cute. I don't know if you guys can see. We have a cute little owl stamp. And then magical item, handle with care. So it's kind of similar to some of the little stickers I provided for you guys for my owl post boxes. I love that. That's super cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into this. Ooh. Ooh, that's different. I think, I'm not 100% sure because the coloring seems maybe a little light, but I think this might be George's wand. I think, because we got Fred's wand before. I think this is George's wand. I'm going to have to double check my wand book to be sure, because I thought his wand was a darker brown, but this is obviously just their interpretation of it, so it could be a little lighter than what it is in the book, but I like that. That's really cool. I love the little detail down here. Awesome. Ooh. We got Butterscotch Soap. Ooh, let's see what this is. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's really glittery. It smells like butterscotch. That's really nice. I like that. It's fancy and it smells good. Oops. All right. So I see we have a pin. Oh, awesome. So it looks like it's maybe a Quidditch captain pin, and it's obviously Ravenclaw. These are really similar to the head girl and head boy pins they gave us a couple months back, but I love this. I loved those pins. They were one of my favorite things we've gotten in a long time, and I really like this too. Super cute. These are really nice quality as well. The enamel work on these is really, really nice. Love that. Really good. So far, I'm totally digging this box, and compared to Loot Crate, they're kind of blowing them out of the water right now. Okay. Ooh, we got a little Hogwarts Express magical steam engine. Let's see what this is. Is it just a toy? Or a little model? So we have got the Hogwarts Express, and that is really, really cute. My nephew loves trains. I may end up having to give this to him because he loves the Hogwarts Express. That's super cute. Save that till the end. Okay, so we got some more recipes to add to our little notebook. Okay, so we have Molly's roasted chicken dinner. That looks yummy. House scarf cupcakes. Very cool. Acid pops. Awesome. Those are nice additions. I like those. Yes! Okay, so they told us that one of the hints last month was the demi-guise, and I was really hoping that this was going to be what we got, because we have Picket the Bowtruckle and the Niffler, and now I have the demi-guise, and I absolutely adore these sketches. They are so nice. I love all the detail in them. I love that they look like they were drawn by Newt Scamander. Super cute. Oh, I can't wait to frame this and put this with the other two. Awesome. I was hoping that this is what they were going to send with the demi-guise hint, and I am super happy about that. So this is a great box. All right, let's see everything that's in here. Okay, so I did pause this quick, and yes, this is George Weasley's wand that we got, and that's awesome. So now we have both Fred and George. We got the exclusive Hogwarts Express toy or figurine. We got the cookbook recipes. We got the Wizarding House tote bags, and these are according to whatever house you are sorted into. Same thing with the exclusive Captain pin. It depends on whatever you, what house you belong to as to what color you received. The awesome exclusive demi-guise print. We have the exclusive Butterscotch Soap bar with the glitter, which is really pretty. And then we have the exclusive t-shirt, and I love this t-shirt. Honestly, this was an amazing box. I loved everything that was in there. And the next month's box hint is the Three Brothers, and I love the Deathly Hallows and the Three Brothers story. It's my husband's favorite as well, so I can't wait to see what they send us with this hint. So, yeah, that's going to be it for this month. So, if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.